One wrong workers' compensation class code could be costing your business thousands of dollars every single year. So if you own a manufacturing company, HVAC business, plumbing, electrical company, or a trade contracting company, this one's for you. One of the biggest mistakes that we see in the workers' compensation insurance has nothing to do with accidents or claims. It comes down to payroll reporting and employee classification. And the scary part is not many business owners even realize what's going on until audit time. Workers' compensation class codes are categorizing and assigning employees based on their type of work that they perform. Every class code carries a different level of risk. For example, an employee typically has a much lower workers' compensation rate than someone climbing ladders, operating machinery, wiring buildings, or handling tools, or working in a manufacturing production facility. This is why it matters so much in the state of Florida for HVAC contractors, electricians, and plumbers. Many of these businesses have a combination of office staff, estimators, project managers, warehouse employees, field technicians, all the things. But if your payroll gets assigned incorrectly, the insurance carriers can apply the wrong rate to your business. And when it happens, it can create financial problems right down to the bottom line. Overpaying premium, receiving large rate increases at the time of your audit. Payroll accuracy is important for workers' compensation policies. It's based on estimated payroll projections for the year. Well, at the end of that policy term, the insurance carrier performs an audit. They compare the estimated to your actual payroll. If the payroll is underreported, businesses can receive a large unexpected invoice. And guess what? It's due within 30 days instead of spreading it out between all of your policy premium installments that you have. What a pain. But one area that we constantly review is office versus field exposure. Insurance carriers typically classify true clerical employees differently from field employees. But if someone occasionally visits a job site, supervisors work in the field. They perform outside of their operations. Their classifications, they change. At Wise Insurance Agency, we can help you. We can look at your payroll reporting. We can look at your manufacturing exposure. We can look at everything that drives your mod and your workers' compensation premium up. We can verify accuracy so that it doesn't cost you thousands of dollars later. So if this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, or follow whatever channel that you're seeing this on so that you can keep up to date with insurance tips, risk management strategies, coverage insights, and the way that your company can better protect your business while controlling insurance costs. Hope to talk to you soon. Jamie Blair, out.